this is my happy place. This is where I let go of any of the stresses of the day and enjoy listening to the sound of the water and nurture the critters in my backyard. I'm Kim Curley, and I'm a senior practice leader for NTT Data Services. People have called me a professional nurturer, and I think that's true. Being a nurturer helps in my work with my clients because that's what I do for my clients. My goal is to help my clients' business thrive, whatever business they're in, whatever part of the financial services business that they're in. So if they have a business challenge that needs to be overcome for their group to thrive, that's now my business as well. A success that I remember is a recent implementation at a large financial institution. This was a complex situation where we really needed to move over 5,000 people to a new way of doing their jobs using new systems that hadn't changed in many, many years. It was a complex problem. We needed to solve it and get people ready for the new system without taking them out of their day jobs. One of the highlights was the CEO of this financial institution saying to us how pleased he was with the implementation and that it had gone better than any implementation in the history of their company. I'm really excited that we get together and make our little corner of the world here in Charlotte a better place. I really believe that success in consulting, and frankly success in business, starts with your employees. It starts with making sure that you take care of the people that work with you. They'll take care of your clients, and the clients will take care of your revenue. One of the things that I try to do is understand, are people in the right roles? Do they have the tools they need in the right space? Are they getting the sunshine that they need? Are they getting the watering and the fertilizing and the type of soil that they need to really thrive? And if they aren't, let's figure out a way to change the environment around them or change the environment that they're in so that they can thrive. My mission is to make my clients successful. And the way I do that is making sure my people are successful. It's just that simple. I'm Kim Curley, I'm a game changer, and I'm a business consultant with NTT Data.